In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Miro board private quickly and easily. Whether you're working on personal projects or you just want to keep your creative works away from prying eyes, securing your Miro board is essential. So let's get started and I'll guide you through every step. First, you need to navigate to the Miro website by typing miro.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log into your Miro account. You'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can sign in using your preferred method. You have the choice of signing in with your email or using your Google account for convenience. If you're using email, simply click on Continue with Email to proceed to the next page. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Miro dashboard. Now locate the board that you want to make private. Hover over the board's thumbnail and you'll see three dots appear. Click on those three dots to open a menu of options related to your board. Now if you have a Miro subscription, you'll be presented with an option that says Make Board Private. Simply click on that and your board will be secured. But what if you don't have a Miro subscription? Don't worry, there's another way to handle it. If you're working without a subscription, instead of seeing an option to make board private, you might see a Share button. Click on this button and you'll be presented with a sharing menu. Here you'll see permissions such as Can Edit. You need to click on this permission setting, a drop down menu will appear. From this list, select No Access. This step is crucial as it ensures that no one else can view or modify your board without your explicit permission. These steps will help keep your board secure and private, ensuring that only you can access it. Keeping your creative work safe and secure allows you the peace of mind to focus solely on bringing your ideas to life. Understandably, navigating these settings might seem a bit tricky at first, especially if you're new to Miro, but following these clear steps should simplify the process and keep your projects just as you want. Private. If you ever find yourself needing to adjust privacy settings again or assist someone else, just remember these simple steps. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips in the future.